Nature is the God's gift to humankind. So are the children. They are loved, cared and nourished for a future imagined so beautiful. To awaken their love for nutrition, Children Nutrition Park is awaiting you at the Statue of Unity. However, Nutrition Park is one of its kind that your child would love to visit. Children Nutrition Park at Statue of Unity engages children to stay away from obesity and informs kids about healthy eating habits, all through interesting medium of technology and entertainment. Use of vegetables to pure white milk. Kids are made to tour the world so healthy, enthralling and encouraging them to live wealthy. Remember, health is the only wealth. To enlighten the kids, a train ride is conducted from Ekta Junction, which halts at various stations. At first station, Phal Shak Gruham, they interact with a farmer's hologram. At second station, Payo Nagari, they meet a boy so crazy for milk. On way to the third station, enjoyable 50 meters tunnel show. Excite them with stories supported by dioramas and sound effects. When the train reaches the station, Poshanpuram welcomes them with digital games so exciting to spice the experience right. Then they arrive at Swasth Bharatam before entering the Bhool Bhulaiya. Get happy and healthy experience. Give an enriching tour to your kids, as Children Nutrition Park is awaiting you at Statue of Unity.